Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to hide WooCommerce products. Let's get started. In order to do this, what we can do is we can head over right here to our products and then just select the product we want to hide. For example, let's hide this particular product right here. Let's click on Edit right here. And then from in there, you should be able to open the WooCommerce product editor. Now you should see it right here, and under this you can see this which is published and the visibility is public. So you can head over and click on this visibility right here, and then you should be able to edit this particular visibility for that. You can head over and move this to trash and then update it. Once you're done with that, it will be hidden. However, if you want to use another method, you can head over right here and install plugin. Scroll down right here on your left sidebar until you can see the option called plugins and click on this add new plugin right here. Search in here for hide categories and then just wait for this to load in order to see the search results related to this. You can hit this hide categories and products for WooCommerce. Click on this install now. Then as you can see, this will install itself. Once it's been installed, let's head over and activate it as well. Head over and click on this activate option and then it will activate itself. Once it's been activated, let's head over right here to our products and click on this categories. Once you have clicked on that, we need to create a new category that we will add the products we want hidden. So for example, let's head over and then just name it hidden. And the slug will be hidden as well. And then from there, scroll down, you can also add description as well as group up and display type right here. So from in there, click on this add new category. Once you have added that, it will create this particular category on your store. Now let's head over to our products and let's head over and add some products on our new category that we have just created. Now let's head over and add this pop over heavyweight. Let's click on edit right here. And then it will open the product editor of WordPress itself. Scroll down until you can see this product categories right here. So let's uncheck this and let's add it to the category of hidden. After that, scroll up and click on publish right here. Once you have done that, we should be able to see this particular product onto our hidden category. Now, the next thing to do is to just hide the category itself. Now, we need to head over to our settings and then just head over to WooCommerce. And then from in there, just try to click on the products and click on this hide from categories. Once you have clicked on that, you should be able to see in here a new page. So let's head over and hide the category called hidden right here. And then in here, you can also choose hidden again and click on save changes. Once you have done that, this will hide the product that's been added to the specific category. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.